Is tourism a very bad area in Northern Australia?
Grab those poles off the top. They have a lot of coil up power. They can unleash